Yo, akumnandanga guys, ngiyapretend angifuna ukungasho. Good morning guys. Oh, so sleepy. Today is day 7. Hopefully trying to get my rainbow there. Since I have to leave Bingsu tonight, I decided to get the 10k steps in the morning. I usually work at night around 10-11. I'm going to work in the morning for the first time. So yesterday I wake out at 11:30 p.m. and then by 12 I change my steps. I already have 6k steps, so I will do only 4k and then I'll come back, take a shower and go to work. I'm gonna turn here. Back in the city. We did 12k. I am trying to edit a vlog as a young pyong. I think ngizokatela ebhasini tonight. I was supposed to post this vlog today. My schedule is so busy lately. Like, you have to eat healthy, you have to go to work, you have to work out, you have to do this and that. Yo, I mean, oh, it's so nice to edit on an iPad, guys. Love editing with iPad. It's so easy. Please make sure that you subscribe. Yes, please subscribe. Please subscribe. My breakfast. I love Bingsu. I see that smile in those beautiful brown eyes, girl. I hear your voice, it whispers in the dark. Yeah, you make it right, yeah, girl. Everything in my life, you changed my story, yeah. You take 2026, we are drinking the skincare. I take 1 sachet every day and it doesn't feel like I'm even doing a skincare. It's like I'm having a nice fizzy drink. Love it so much. So let's go to my favorite cafe in Gasespani to take some content and then I'm gonna get straight to work. I have like 1 hour 30 minutes. I think otherwise it's going to do everything on time. I look so pretty, guys. I look so pretty. I don't know if you guys remember this set I wore in the Philippines. It's a 2-piece set, and my nails are pink, my phone case is pink, I'm wearing pink, like it's giving spring, hey?
Make sure that's not true, make sure that's not true, no. And I know it's hard and we've lost in many ways, but I ain't giving up. Our love will never lose. I cross the ocean for you, I dive into the deepest sea. My soul is sold out for you. I give it everything that you need. Oh, and give me just one chance. And baby, take my hand. Heart's in motion for you. Across the ocean for you. No matter what we go through, always gonna be me and you. Baby, I ain't gonna let go. You'll always be the one I choose. Baby, no matter what we go through, always gonna be.
Guys, this was 13,001. This better be good. I have my iPad. And this is my perfume. I also have small samples. Sense of Self Arena. Here too. You can put one in my wallet, one in my bag, anyway. I'm gonna get a copyright, so I will play on music.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own. But you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends. Tell them that you're gonna be late. Cause I'ma need you to explain.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out and stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
Hey guys, I am back home, and before we do the unboxing, can you take a moment for my nails? Can you please take a moment for my nails? I'm obsessed with this color and shape. Yazi all along bengicabanga ukuthi i-square shape siyangifanela because my natural nails nje akhula abe square shape. Every time I have to choose color, I make sure that I go through her page and then I decide a color ngifunayo. In this case, I had to choose between this color and this color. Okay, so I have two packages. Which one should I start with first? Let me start with this one. As some of you may know, I am building a Kaya of being since last year. And in Mawakaga, you don't just do everything overnight, table. It takes time. You spend all your money, you need to save back, and then you put it. So, a few days ago, I sent thousands back home to finish off the house. And I mean thousands, okay? I won't say I'm broke, but I need money. Guys, when I tell you, the following day, I received this collaboration. When I tell you this is the most high-paying collaboration I've ever received in Korea, I just want to share a testimony with you. Always come through for us. And for the fact that they emailed for the first time, I ignored the first one because I had to go to Seoul, buy this product for myself, then get a refund and come back here to make a video. But they came back. But see, I don't have to go to Seoul anymore. But see, they will deliver the product at my door, as you can see. And then they added more money. I'm gonna put an email around here. I have to post this Rejuva S products on TikTok. Please do engage, guys. They deserve all the engagement, okay? Do you remember from my previous vlog, I told you if you want a glass skin, just get yourself a product that has PDRN. I never say yes to any product that doesn't have PDRN because PDRN works for my skin. As you guys can see, I drink that PDRN sachet every day. Get yourself anything that has PDRN and then you can have a glass skin. Oh guys, this is such a beautiful message. It says, thank you for your endless support, faith in me. Your kindness has been a guide. Thank you very much for everything you've done, but I haven't done anything yet. As we part ways for now, I hope your journey forward is filled with light, growth, and endless possibilities. And guys, I'm getting all of these PRs by myself. Because of your support. I think about with social media marketing and all of that stuff, they want to choose who they want to work with. They go through a person's content, and when they see that you guys are liking my videos, when they see that you guys are commenting on my videos, they always come back. So with that being said, ngiyabonga kakhulu. And then we have a small nyana unboxing. I hope you put I'm cooking. It's very fun. I got few items from Shein. This is the first item that I got. Beautiful color. I got this silk shirt for a spani. Oh, what a beautiful color, guys. And the pelasega she's and to test size up because from now on also I got another one in this color, same sizes, same shirt, just a different color. I've never owned anything of this color. Oh, love it. Oh my god, I think I won't be mad. This is Korea after all. Wearing something baggy doesn't hurt. Oh, they are so pretty, guys. I love the color. And I have to be very cautious with my students. If I'm gonna buy more of these for Ispan. I got another formal pants for work. Hi Bo, look at the details. Yeah, stretch again, writing pen. This is definitely for working out. I hardly have this color, so I had to get it. I got this top. It had to be long sleeve because the mosquito as a Korea doesn't play, and I'm coming with such a episode. And then this takes us to the end of our unboxing. Okay, yeah, I got another top in black. Meaning this dress of Vexenias. Look guys, I'm already on 8K. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Okay guys, I'm closing off this vlog right now. Take a walk, come back and sleep. Ngihlezi ngibuya ngikhathele. Yo, akumnandanga guys, ngiyapretend ngifuna ukungasho. Akumnandanga. I'm on week 2 and my body's getting used to everything. At first, bengibumzimba ubuhlungu every day. But manje akusekho bad. Still angikakajwayeli fully, but nje I'm getting there. I'm giving myself 75 days. After 75 days, ngiyazi ukuthi yonke into izoba smooth. And then maybe I will see if I can do twice a day. Kuyahlangana kancane kancane kuyajwayeleka. Akukho lula. And I want to document this journey of my life so that you guys can witness everything when I reach the goal. Nizosho ukuthi benikhona ngila. Angeke take it for a BBL. Okay, so please do subscribe and comment with yellow heart if you like my nails. I'll see you guys on the next vlog.